Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Car on fire! Help me! Don't kill me!
The 24-year-old you're hearing begging officers not to kill him had just taken police on a 100 miles per hour chase through a busy city, even dashing through active construction sites. What officers didn't know at that point was that soon they would have to try their best to save him from getting fried to death for reasons you definitely have a hard time grasping.
Headquarters, I'm going to be through with that vehicle, North Main and Industrial. Actually, he's taken off. 43 to 13, the vehicle's not stopping. We're northbound on Main Street, passing Van Camp, speed 64.
We'll be turning on to Double Full, eastbound on Double Full. Bowling Green, I'm about a mile out, northwest I get caught up to.
Blue to stop sign at Mercer, blue to stop sign at Mercer. Eastbound over 75. Watch these tracks, guys.
He's going to go north on Mercer,
Excuse me, Dunbridge. North on Dunbridge. Road's closed here. There's a road closed sign. Just went through the construction zone. Might have a 31. Oh, just missed it at Dunbridge. 582. Eastbound on 582. Eastbound on 582. The white car at the tracks facing eastbound on the ramp.
He just turned into a business complex right here. Someone block off Dunbridge. This goes back out to Dunbridge. We turned on to Walnut Street. We're back behind the business.
Didn't come this way. He had to have gone back out to Dunbridge. He had to have gone northbound here. I can't see him.
Officers had no idea the suspect was hiding in plain sight, and they were looking for him in all the wrong places, until a construction worker decided he'd had enough of him that day.
A gray Chrysler.
Right there! That him? What's he wanted for?
Units, he's eastbound from that complex.
Is that him? I don't know. It's a gray car. It came out of
Yeah,
the
he's
yard.
hauling ass. Had a construction worker flag me down. Looks like the area speed eastbound on 582. I'm gonna try to catch up and confirm.
I'll be behind 6 now.
Lima 3, okay, behind us.
Yeah, he just swerved to try to hit me. He just swerved right after to try to hit me. I had to avoid. We're northbound on 199.
Okay, northbound 199 from where?
Stand by, let me get my post. 100% though, tried to
make intentional contact at me.
Speeds in traffic.
103. White male, curly hair.
They're going to be approaching Reeds, it looks like. Above the area that Reeds there, approaching us now.
Okay. Don't sorry, did you spike out?
Negative.
Okay.
Coming up for outtake, primary for now with radio.
Okay.
Northbound 189, Northwest 26, speeds 100.
Northbound 199, Northwest 26, speed 100.
Traffic light.
Traffic light.
752. If he slows again, I am going to pit him so he doesn't try to intentionally strike somebody else.
Yep, got it. Back off, yes.
Right, I'm going to obviously wait till we get to low speeds.
Still northbound, past the Northwest 27, speeds 105. 6 is going into the wrong lane, passing one vehicle.
Even at 105 miles per hour, the man was weaving through traffic and had no regard for the lives of others. Officers knew he was now heading toward the city, and something had to be done soon to stop him. But before they had any time to strategize, a tragedy was about to take place.
We're northbound 199, missed spikes.
Northbound for Roaston, this is like
Volume is still white, speeds approaching 100 again.
speed 100.
If we slow down for this roundabout up here, 752, be a good place to pit. I believe all we have is guardrails on each side as long as there's no other traffic coming. Feeling northbound 199, so up to Echo Junction.
I'm not going to do it here. It's a blind hill.
Passing Echo Junction, speeds 75, traffic light.
That's Eagle Junction, speed 75.
There's a city unit here at the East Broadway, going to a red light. 6 is going on the vehicle and a green light. We are going through. Continuing northbound through Indiana.
Northbound through Indiana.
Traffic volume is starting to pick up. There's front of the alley.
Traffic moderate.
I don't know what he's doing. He just went head on toward the bicyclist too.
We're going to be going westbound on foot.
Westbound front, down Louisiana.
The speeds that they're going to be around 60 to 70 miles an hour. Traffic's light to moderate. We're going to be taking River Road, going up 25 into Maumee. You can notify them if they have been already. Okay, we're crossing over the river now. Speeds 80.
Crossing the river, speed 80.
Yes, he's 31.
39.
We're good. Just stand by one.
He's still going. I think he's only on 2 tires. "31, get an ambulance here. It's on fire."
Okay.
Let me see your hands! Let me see
Are
your
you on the
hands!
bridge?
Let
Let me see your hands! Drop it! Drop it!
Bravo 3, are you on the bridge?
Get on the car!
Dudley and 25, okay.
Get on the ground! Drop what is ever in your lap!
Now! They're right here! They're right here!
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Well, then we got 6 gunpoint vehicle stopped. You get another vehicle now.
Crawl this way, your car's on fire. Crawl this way.
Oh my child! Oh my child!
This way!
Oh my child! Oh my child!
Oh, your child.
It's my man! It's of me! It's pictures of me!
Is there anybody in the car?
No!
I'm gonna
All
cuff
these
him up.
pictures of me! You have to get them! You have to get them!
Who do I have to get?
My child! It's not mine! It's not mine! It's not mine! What the f***? Get on your what the f***? On your stomach! Don't kill me! 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 I'm complying. Don't kill
No,
me.
you're not. Get on your stomach
Yes,
now.
I am. I'm fully complying. Do not
I got
kill
cuffs.
me.
I got
Do
cuffs.
not kill me. Do not kill me. Those are pictures of me. Those are pictures of me.
My knee. You good? Yeah, I'm good. I just crushed on the concrete.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me.
Somebody check on him.
I'm fine, man. Those are all pictures of me, man. Do not put anything in me, man. Do not put anything. They're putting something in me, man. They're putting something sedating me, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Please don't do it. Please, I'm begging you.
Go to your side. Stand up. Yep. Put him in line. Me in there, man. Let's go.
Please help, sir. Please. Sir, please help me. I'm begging you. Sir, please help me. Please help me. Those are pictures of me, man. Those are pictures of me as a kid.
Get in the car. What is smoke? What is this smoke, man? Get in.
Thankfully, the other gentleman didn't suffer any life-threatening injuries and was transported to the hospital. But let's roll back a bit to uncover the bizarre reason that made the man flee from police at 100 miles per hour that day.
Hello. What's going on?
So, I was spot mowing here, trying to mow, and then this dude walks up to me and says, "Can I look at one of your AirPods?"
Okay.
So I handed it to him, and then he was coming right next to me, and I thought he wanted to see what they look like.
Yeah.
And then he walks up, and he goes up this, and he walks to me like this, and he says, "You think I'm charged or fake?" And then he said a bunch to him,
He's like, you read yours? He's like, thank you. And then he walked off.
and he's like, "You gave them." And he's like, "Yo, you gave them to me." And then
Okay.
he just walked into his apartment.
Okay, so he has your earbuds then?
Well, I have.
The one?
Yeah, he literally just took
Took
them.
mine too.
Oh, he's got both of yours?
Yeah, I think he wanted to see what they. I thought he was.
Do I see the difference?
Yeah.
Officers did try to approach the man in his apartment, but he had already fled in his gray car, which was later spotted by another patrolling unit. The man was identified as 24-year-old Jeffrey, and he had even called 911 earlier that morning to ask for protection from some kind of threat.
Here's some evidence.
Yeah, he's got a bunch of what he said.
The fire's out, so yeah, I would. Somebody should probably.
Just get his electronics out.
The Belleville's guy was over at the post office, and he walked up to me. He goes, "You're a." The Belleville's guy was on the phone. He goes, "What?" He goes, "You're a." I know you're. He goes. So he tried to walk away, and he followed him all the way to Belleville's. Follows him inside Belleville's, and there's a Petersburg fireman inside Belleville's, and he goes, "That guy's." And the fireman's like, "What?" And he's like, "Do you know him?" Fireman's like, "I don't know what you're talking about." He's like, does he work here? And the fireman's like confused, like, what are you talking about? And then he just walked out.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. He walked up to two of the people mowing the lawn,
said, I need to see your earbuds. So they like gave it to him thinking that he was going to like compare them or something. He just took them, said, called him and walked away.
Oh, okay. I didn't understand the earbud part. Yeah, well, I don't know
the
what
university found him somehow.
Oh, no, he was on foot at the university saying weird stuff to people. And then I think their dispatcher was watching him on camera. He got in a car coming up Thurston, and I was talking with the university unit who spun around on him, and that's how we got track on him in the car. But I'll ask the university what exactly. I think he was just saying weird stuff to people.
He swerved right at me on 199. I was perpendicular. He looked at me, had like this, and you can tell he's nuts. I don't know if it's or what, but he looked at me like the blank stare in his face, looked right at me, and literally like swerved right at me. Yeah, I just smoked my dad. It was the worst part, man. I came down that pavement with my right knee. Ugh, that's gonna be sore tomorrow.
All right, Jeffrey. So here's a citation. You're getting charged with theft. All right. You have a court date Monday at 2:30 p.m. But you'll probably see the judge at some point this week.
Is he gonna be summoned on that?
Can I give a statement
What's
on
that?
Is he being booked on that? Like, is that?
We're probably gonna at least send a commitment on it as well. If you guys are sending the commitment
Just so
on
we
that.
know when we go down there, let know.
Yeah. These look familiar?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll just give you the bag.
I feel so bad about this whole situation.
No, it's okay. You're good.
I know, but he got in a crash.
Yeah.
How bad was it?
It wasn't bad. I think the other driver got transported, but I mean,
He hit someone else.
yeah.
Take me to jail. You guys are the cops, right?
Appreciate it. Thank you for what you do.
Okay, I don't want to hear anything, and I want to see somebody hand you a paper, and then we're going to walk out the door.
I'll be waiting as soon as I bring it to you.
Okay, I don't want to talk to another woman.
Okay, you don't have to talk to another woman.
And shame on you, miss. You think I'm...
I'm just gonna step over there. So
Yeah, because you know, I see right through the women. I see right through you two. You guys are...
Thank you, man.
We're
all set to leave?
Yep, you're done.
Thank you.
I'm out of here.
I don't... Get me something else, man.
All right,
I don't
all
want
right,
this
I got
to
you.
be
I got you. All right.
Dude, you... Shame on all of you.
Jeffrey was charged with theft and failure to comply with the order or signal of a police officer. His bond was set at $10,000, and his next hearing was scheduled for the 19th of November 2025. But there is no reported information regarding his conviction as of yet. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.